Today we are going to give a short demonstration for deployment of a mobile application to a hybrid cloud built on IBM Power Systems running KVM by using OpenStack technologies incorporated into IBM products. For many of our clients, an isolated cloud is not an option because of their legacy IT investments and in-house data. Therefore, a hybrid environment which connects in-house or outsourced systems with a cloud will be very popular with our enterprise clients. IBM Power Systems are cost-effective, secure, and provide the needed performance and agility, and are also built using open standards. Michael, the infrastructure admin, needs to manage the off-premise and on-premise cloud resources. Maureen, the DevOps pro, needs to provision applications. And finally, Joe and Sally are the typical cloud consumers who interact with the application in different ways. In this configuration, we have deployed the systems of record to an on-premise cloud running on KVM on IBM Power Systems. We also have a systems of engagement deployed to an off-premise cloud running on SoftLayer. We have chosen a sample airline reservation system application called Acme Air in this demo. We will now demonstrate how easy it is for Maureen, the DevOps Pro, to build application patterns and deploy them to a hybrid cloud by using IBM Urban Code Deploy with Patterns. Maureen logs into IBM Urban Code Deploy with Pattern console and inspects a blueprint for her application. Maureen can inspect each software configuration element of the application as well as define auto-scaling policies for it. Maureen can also switch her view to a text-based definition of the application blueprint, which is based on the OpenStack heat orchestration template format. After finalizing the application blueprint, Maureen is now ready to deploy it to the hybrid cloud. After the deployment is completed, Maureen can check its status in the environment section. Maureen can see that the required instances of each software configuration in her blueprint are present in the environment. Now Maureen will connect the application instances in the hybrid cloud using REST API adapters. Maureen edits the XML file to connect port 9080 on the on-premise application end with port 3080 on the off-premise application end. Michael, the infrastructure admin, will use IBM Cloud Manager with OpenStack to monitor and configure the hybrid cloud. Michael will use the console for IBM Cloud Manager with OpenStack. Here Michael can view the power nodes and also inspect the application stack. The topology, detailed resources, related events, etc. for the entire application stack can be inspected. The compute, storage, network elements of the cloud can also be inspected and configured from the console as well. Now Michael will provide secure network connectivity in the hybrid cloud. Using command line, Michael will create a SSH tunnel between the on-premise port 9080 and the off-premise port 3080. Now we will show how a typical cloud consumer like Joe can interact with the systems of engagement application using a mobile device. Joe launches the application from his mobile device and logs into the application. Joe modifies his flight information, which is quickly and seamlessly written back to the systems of record. The data is always secure and reliable. Now let's see how another cloud consumer like Sally can interact with the systems of record application using the existing application front end. Sally logs into the traditional browser-based system. Sally can search for flights, make and cancel reservations for Joe. The data is quickly and seamlessly written back to the same backend systems of record, and the data is always secure and reliable. Here is a quick recap of what we have shown in the demo for different personas and how they are interacting with the different entities in a hybrid cloud. By using the suite of tools and products that we have shown in this demo, here is a summary of the key benefits for the end consumer, the DevOps admin, and the enterprise operations. Here are a few helpful links if you're interested in learning more.